Airshow. You can actually start as a private pilot, move through the basic sort of Cessna aircraft and up into bigger tailwheel aircraft, move on to a Harvard, and then even move into some of the heavier warbirds at a later stage. Warbirds has got a training program where they train you in formation flying, aerobatic, and being able to handle some of these heavier warbirds. Number 3 today in the yellow aircraft is Rob Village. He's an electrical engineer by trade, private pilot. This aircraft's painted in the yellow colours of the World War II training squadron. Now number 3 and 4 come back to do a barrel roll and trail. And they'll be changing formation shortly into what we call echelon. So one will be off the wing of the other. And they'll return to show you a crossover break.